I'm Ryan Richardson. I'm the Associate Director of Business Operations at EngineeringUK. So we have two major concerns at the moment. How we as an organisation ensure that our security is safe. We have focus on cybersecurity, and also how we are going to roll out AI as an organisation and really take advantage of that. And we started off with Transparity about 4 years ago. I think we were one of the first organisations to have managed security and end user support. We found that has lifted quite a large burden off us in terms of tracking cybersecurity threats through obviously monitoring and fixing those. It takes a lot of pressure off myself in my role. It's one major thing that I don't need to worry about as much. And I think alongside Transparity, we've been working to get our Cyber Essentials Plus accreditation as well. So all in all, it was a very good decision for us as an organisation. Most of the areas that we have progressed with Transparity on have really worked and has really improved the efficiency of the organisation.